What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well. I have finally had the time to install my Nikola Pro Chrome Delete Kit for my Midnight Silver Metallic Colored Model 3. While there are many Chrome Delete Kits now in the market, I found that Nikola Pro was one of the most recommended by other Tesla owners. They sent me out the matte black color, and when I first opened up the box, I was astonished at how many pieces there were, and I thought, how in the world am I going to install all these little pieces? The box actually contains 2 kits in one, just in case you mess up a couple pieces, you have a backup plan. You must follow the step-by-step process on their instruction videos found under their YouTube channel. I cannot stress enough to take your time and take breaks. I spent about 3 hours doing the driver's side of the car, and that's including the filming, and saved the rest for the next day. There are going to be times where some pieces do not come out to your liking, and you're going to have to replace them with the included backup kit. The most difficult time for me was doing the mirrors. I don't know if it was just me or if it's because I didn't have the mirrors folded in at the right times. It was hard to see from their instruction videos when they had the mirror folded in or when it was open. Regardless, I found myself folding and unfolding the mirror several times to get the top piece into place. A couple tips I'd like to recommend if you are to purchase and install this kit yourself is to not stretch the material when applying it. I found at times after repeated removal and reapplying the 3M vinyl that it becomes stretched and it will no longer fit the space it's going on. I also would not use the heat gun until I knew the place was correctly positioned. Be sure to not overheat the material and keep it about 5 inches away from the trim. There were even times when I had too much material when I got to the end of the trim, and I had to cut the end a little shorter to accommodate the fitting. While there are many pieces, especially for the mirrors, every sticker is labeled, making their step-by-step video very helpful and less intimidating. Your patience and attention to detail will pay off when you are done. Start by doing the easiest pieces first, like the Tesla logo and maybe the door handles, so you get a feel for how the material applies. If you mess up on a piece, it's no big deal. Just grab a replacement piece that comes in the box, as you have 2 attempts for every section. After about 6 hours split between 2 days, including filming, I'm very happy with how it turned out. I was a little skeptical with the matte black color and my silver metallic paint color, but I think it looks awesome. I've heard a professional chrome delete can cost well over $600. This is a great alternative with its very affordable cost. Not to mention it looks professional when applied correctly. If you have a Model 3 and you'd like to chrome delete your car, be sure to subscribe and comment down below to be entered in to win a free Nikola Pro Kit yourself. I'll be sending out a free matte black Nikola Pro Kit to a lucky winner on November the 1st by random drawing. I'll be announcing this giveaway on my YouTube newsfeed. Again, to be entered in, just subscribe and comment down below that you want to be entered into the drawing. Here are some more before and after pictures and some more video before you go. If you found this video helpful, as always, be sure to click that like and subscribe button down below for more content in the future. I'll talk to you all in the next one. Until then, take care.